Attentional bias. Attentional bias has to do with decisions that you make are biased based on what you pay attention to. So if you're watching different news stations each night, you'll notice that certain ones focus on some stories, others focus on other issues. And so a story you might hear on one channel doesn't even exist on that other evening news show. So the things that you're hearing about, the things that you're thinking about each day, that biases what you pay attention to. If you don't think there's any problem with something at the some type of food at the supermarket, then you're not going to have an issue. If you just bought a certain type of car, you may start noticing that car more often. Or let's say you just got the new iPhone. You start paying more attention to what kind of phone other people have. Or you get a new watch, you're focusing more on what kind of watch they have. So whatever it is, there's anything that you're thinking about regularly, and really anything you think about at all, biases what you're going to tend to pay attention to in the future. Because your attention does not just have a broad swath. It has to do with where do you look, what signs do you look, billboards do you look at on the highway, what banner ads catch your attention when you're scrolling through the internet. So all these kind of things have to do with what you pay attention to. So if you're not paying attention to something, then you're ignoring it, and ignoring certain things will bias the information that comes in a systematic way. So that's attentional bias that has to do with only paying attention to certain things and not others.